Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how my plants are growing, an update about my Aerogarden I showed last week, and ready for the surprise. So here it is. All of my plants have been growing and the tomato plant has been growing really well, and this is the cilantro, and you can see the cilantro shape already. I mean, I washed my hands before touching it, so no worries. And this is these both are peppers, different types of peppers, so they're also growing. The chamomile is also taking a shape, and the mint has been really slow. It's been 14 days, but it's still little bit smaller than what I expect it to be, but yeah, it's still growing. I'm giving it its own space. There it is. They've been growing really well, and I also have to add plant food today and reset the clock, so let's see how it goes. It is showing red light, and here there is a notification saying add plant food. That's it. So my plants have been growing fast, so I'm happy about it. Let's see what will happen in the next 14 days.